All right. Now, dashboard is a great feature, but sometimes you want to see, for example, a snapshot of a client with everything written on it in a report. Sometimes you just want a more formal report. And that's what you can achieve with Microsoft CRM using what we call Microsoft CRM SQL services. That allows you to build those reports and produce them for the people in your organization. Maybe you might want to print it to a PDF and mail it. This is what Dan is going to show here shortly. And with that, he also will talk to you about a pivot table in Excel. So exciting stuff ahead. Stay tuned. Dan, you are next.
Okay, so like Fred mentioned, my name is Dan Boehm, and I'm the Director of Development here at TopLine Results. And we're going to talk today about reporting. So what we're going to start with is showing you a snapshot of an account. So a lot of people, they just want to take an account and they want to see all the recent activity and just find out a little bit about this account without having to start clicking all around and trying to search for all the information. So that's what we're going to start out with. So I'm going to, first of all here, open up an account. So I'm going to go to my accounts list here, and I am going to search for an account. So I'm just going to choose active accounts here, and I'm just going to search for an account here called unusual account. So UNU. You can see that I just brought up my account. And all I'm going to do here is hit Run Reports. And I'm going to run the account overview report. So this is a report that comes with the system. And we're just going to run that on this one record. And this is going to use, like Fred said, SQL reporting services. Now, how many of you have ever heard of SQL reporting services? A few of you. How many of you actually have experience working with it? Okay, so that's the default reporting engine that Microsoft CRM here uses to generate its reports. And what's really nice about this is it gives you that more formal approach. The dashboards are really nice for giving that quick snapshot and being able to quickly manipulate the information. But these reports, being more formal like this, are great for people who don't want to actually fiddle around with dashboards, or they want to get that quick snapshot of a single account. So that's what we're looking at right now. You can see over here we have just some field information. So we're just taking some field information, putting it over there. You can see down here we have some information about the primary contact. So within this system, each account can have many contacts underneath it. So an account is like a company, and you can have 10, 15 contacts within a single company, but you'll usually designate one contact as the primary contact that you normally deal with. So that's what we're viewing right here, is the primary contact. Over here on the right, we're seeing our opportunity summary. So we're just getting a quick snapshot of the opportunities for this one account. So it's a great way to get that overview. If we scroll down, you can see over here we have all our additional contacts. So as I said, you can have 10, 15 contacts that belong to a single account. That's where they're going to be listed on this particular report. Here's an overview of our services that we've performed. Any recent interactions, so this would be like history. So any type of history that we've had, that's going to be listed here. Over here we have any notes that have been added and any upcoming activities. One other thing that's really nice about these reports is they're also very drillable. So if I wanted to find out more about this upcoming activity right here, I can simply click on it and it'll open up that activity for me. So it's not just a static report that we can look at. We can actually click on stuff and drill in further, get more information. And a lot of the information in here, you have that ability to do so. Now, at the end of the day, you may want to take this with you when you go to visit this account or potentially contact at this account. So what a lot of people here do is print this maybe to a PDF and then print it out on their printer. We do that a lot here. So when we print that to a PDF, you can now get that in a very nice summary.